Gardening is a hobby, a therapy, and a way of getting things that you cannot find in grocery stores. When we garden, we have a chance of growing new species and varieties that we never tried before. And then we can experiment and create new recipes incorporating the produce from our garden. Today I'll show you what am I cooking from the things I grow in my backyard. These little pea pods don't even make it to my kitchen. We eat them straight in the garden. They're so delicious. My new favorite salad greens is mibuna. It's so yummy. I recommend everyone try growing it. If you like mustardy flavor, then mibuna is the green for you. It has an amazing aftertaste of mustard, not too sharp, just right. And of course, no salad can be made without an old friend, spinach. These young baby leaves are just so delicious and flavorful. I've never had a good success with regular broccoli. My winter is too cold for it, and summer is too hot. But Broccoli Raab or rapini is a great plant that can be grown successfully in my Zone 5 climate. Did you know that besides the florets, the main part why we grow broccoli, the leaves are also edible? Yes, they are, and they are delicious. You can definitely eat them raw and add to salads, but let me show you one more trick how to use broccoli leaves. First, wash them really good, then remove the stem, including this part over here, because we're going to roll them up. We'll stuff these leaves as cabbage rolls. You see how flexible they are? Perfect for rolling up. As for the stuffing, you can use any cooked rice you have. I have some leftover rice with sour cherries. Yes, that's the thing. And I also added some ground beef to it. You can add any meat you have at home. Also, I added some grated garlic and salt, pepper, and other spices, and a little bit of tomato sauce. As for the stems that we cut, don't throw them out. You can, of course, snack on them, they're delicious, or you can chop them up and add to your stuffing. It'll make stuffed broccoli leaves even more delicious. So let me show you how I do it. Basically, it's the same way as you would do your regular cabbage rolls. You put the stuffing in the middle, flip both sides inside and roll it up. Cooking stuffed broccoli leaves is the same way as you would cook regular traditional cabbage rolls. You put them in the pot in 2 layers or 3 or as many as you have, and fill it up with the rest of the tomato sauce. You can add broth or chicken stock or beef stock, anything you would like. I like mine just with regular plain tomato sauce. And you cook it for about an hour until they are deliciously tender and the whole house smells like cabbage rolls. And you serve them the same way as cabbage rolls with sour cream and some dill. Perfect combination. So here you have it, a good way of using those large broccoli leaves that otherwise would just be wasted. Another vegetable that's growing in my spring garden right now is radish. I have 2 types of radishes growing right now, these long ones, and also I have a round variety. I don't remember the name of it, but it's also delicious. And you can see I am growing it next to my gigantic spinach plant. One of my favorite ways of using radishes is in salads. But I'm not only using the roots, also the leaves. Did you know that radish leaves are edible too? And they're delicious. They taste just like arugula. So today I'll make a salad with radish leaves, radish roots, and tuna. My favorite salad. I just love it. It's so refreshing. And it's also so easy to make. If you use tuna in olive oil, then you don't even need a dressing. You just add a splash of lemon juice or vinegar and salt and pepper to taste, and here you have it. A simple but delicious salad from your garden. Well, except tuna. I hope you enjoyed my Eating from the Garden edition, and let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these recipes. Thank you for watching.